Good afternoon, everyone. This afternoon, nanapot ay bagong balay no, and this time, this is located in Fairmont Subdivision, right in front, gyud gikan sa gate. And this is 4 bedrooms with 5 toilet and bath. And ang catch pagid niya kay nasa sari-sari store and water refilling station. So, kumbaga, this is not just residential property but a business location as well. Then, napay mga surprises later on. So, come on, atong tanawon. So upon entering sa property, mabunga din sa inyo ang ilahang car garage. So pwede diri one SUV. And then pwede sa inyo mga pets just like that dito. No? And then here, load kayo siya guys. Pwede ninyo siya butangan diri og same as sa iyahang gibutang diri nga na sila tambayanan nga area, coffee area and whatnot. So yun, if you also would like to have your own altar, nanapad sila yung altar here. Yan. Excited ako kay nakoy nakita diri ang amazing siya compared sa other properties. So when you enter the house, of course, the living area diretso no, and it's quite huge compared to other houses. Nindot ka siya pagka-structure. And surprisingly, pag ani pa nako sa mga kauban guys, na surprise with me kay naa sila yung mini theater. So here, so on a daily basis, if you'd like to have your movie nights or your movie time with your friends, family, mga anak and whatnot, na yung movie area. So dili lang siya ingon nga, tanaw lang mag-TV, no? It's just like watching a movie in a cinema. And very generous sila when it comes to ventilation kay each part of the property naa sila aircon. So, going through our dining area, nga naa na sila duha ka buok dining table. This one is 8-seater nga dining table. Napa dito extra. And ang catch guys, diri na to makita ang water refilling station. So naa na diri ipang generate ang mga purified or distilled drinking water for your neighborhood. So pwede niyo pag mag-deliver, so instant business na ni siya. And diri apod nga area ang store. So na store diri nga pwede ninyo himuon i-develop pa og more if you like. So kumbaga, duha ka businesses here. We have sari-sari store and at the same time water refilling station. So here is the open kitchen as well for your guests. And then, tanawa na gid ang ilahang mga furniture and take note of the ceiling. Guys, well thought of, well constructed house with all the design good and all. So, here sa ground floor na atay toilet and bath, common CR for everyone, especially sa mga guests. You know? So, planning here is an area where you can also use this as your dirty kitchen, but it's not dirty. Kagabi kahilo gyud ang iyahang dirty kitchen, no? And then na siya access here pagawas. This is a location pod padulong sa water refilling. Yun. So diri ang aside ang mga gas range, ila mga sterilizer, ang double door nga refrigerator nga mo gid ni akong pangarap guys, puhol malayong Ginoo na diri ang mga cabinets and mga oven. So right now, let's go upstairs for us to witness and makita ang mga bedrooms. So again, 4 bedrooms here. So we have dakuan niya, uy, dako siyang house jud. So before anything else, diri sa ilahang sa ilahang balcony where in the balcony located ang ilahang mga dagko kaayo nga mga water tank. Okay? So here is the first bedroom which is unfortunately locked siya guys. And then second bedroom is this one. Hello? Can we... Yes, kani ang second bedroom ni siya. And na siya yung own toilet and bath here. Okay? Here is the third bedroom, but they use this as their storage area. So storage area lang siya, guys. And another bedroom here. I think can I enter ba? Okay. This one. This is the master bedroom. And then here, another bedroom. There's another bedroom here for your kids. Nga pwede pud ka imuhang own nga toilet and bath. And the good thing here is na sila access to their another huge nga balcony where you can throw a party, event, or whatsoever here, guys. Very widely open siya. And actually, just for you to know, moro gid na ang gate, so doon lagi siya kaayo. Diba? So, once again, I'm Cyrus of DK Realty Philippines. If you have inquiries for this property, send me a message today. Bye!